Modules are basically containers, and they can contain controllers, routes, factories or services, directives, and filters. So let's get started with modules and let's see how we can create one in AngularJS. So now we'll see how we can create our module and then hook up that module to this particular view that we have, that is the HTML page. So you must have noticed the ng app directive that we have been using till now. Usually we used to keep it empty, or we were just specifying ng app and then we were not mentioning anything at all. But over here now with module, we can give this particular directive a name. So let's say, since we are dealing with courses, we'll say it's a course module, and that is the name which we have given to our module. And now we have to create this particular module. And where do we create it? Obviously we have to create it in a script file so that we can maintain it at a later stage. And you will notice that wherever we have referenced angular.js, after that I am making use of the app.js file. Now if I open this app.js file, you'll notice that all I've written over here is the basic syntax to create one module. Now you'll notice we are making use of the angular.module, which is used to create a module, and then inside this I'll write the name of our module, that is courses module. And then this empty array that we have over here is for dependencies. So we'll explore this later. But if there is any dependency on which this module depends, we need to specify that as well in those square brackets. So once that is done, our module is created and we have actually used that module with our HTML page as well. So kind of association is complete. Currently, our module is not doing anything at all, but obviously we'll take a look at controllers and then we'll explore it in a better way. But for now, we are through with module, how we can create a module and then link that module to our HTML page. So now if I run this one in browser, you'll notice the same page is appearing without any hiccups and all. But as we'll move on with controllers, and then you will see how we can clean up our code from the HTML and move all these things back to controller and make it super nice and clean. So we'll explore controllers in the next lecture.